Good morning, students. How are you? Once again, welcome back to your e-learning classes. Myself, Vanita, here with you with your maths session. I think all of you are taking great enthusiasm in your work. This it should be processed and do your work now. Students, in last class, I have completed the multiplication. So many sums I have given to you to do and you have completed. So many students have done well. And there was a little bit mistakes with some of the students. I think you will practice it again and again. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. So practice is very necessary in math. Not only in maths, in each and every subject, it is very necessary. Today, I want to start a new unit, that is your division. So, all of you be ready for it. Students, now first question is, what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Suppose you have 20 things and you have to distribute it into 4 equal parts. Then what you will do? You will have to separate equal into all these students. So it is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. 4 basic operations of arithmetic is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And division gives a fair result of sharing. It is an operation inverse of multiplication. It means multiplication is a repeated addition and division is a repeated subtraction. If 3 groups of 4 make 12 in multiplication, then 12 divided into 3 equal groups give 4 in each group in division. So, you can conclude that the separation of something into different parts and the sharing of something between different people or group is called division. Students, you recall the last class. It means what you have read in the class 3. Division is a fun when you know your multiplication table by heart. It is very necessary to learn all the tables for division. Here, we are seeing that 12 will be divided by 110. Then here 12, this number from which we divide is called the divisor. And the number to be divided is called the dividend. And from which number you are multiplying the divisor is called quotient. And the rest of the number which is remaining is called the remainder. Students, you can understand it with the help of this example. For example, there are 16 balls and 4 boxes are present and you have to put 16 balls into 4 equal sized boxes. So what you will do? You will do 6 divided by 4. Then you are getting 4 here. It means what? You will keep 4 balls in each box. So you can say that 4 balls should be kept in each box. Now there is a notation for each and every operations. You know the notation: plus sign for add, minus sign for subtraction, multiplication sign, and this is your division signs. Various sign which can be used to indicate division, such as given here. For example, 8 divided by 2 or 8 by 2. This is the notation of division. Once again, I am going to name special names for each and every character in division. It means revise it once again. Each part involved in a division equation has a special name, that is dividend, it will be divided by divisor, and then you will get question. Dividend. What is dividend? The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. Divisor. The number by which dividend is being divided by, it's called divisor. And question. The question is a result obtained in the division. Your concept of each character in division will be clear with the help of this example. In this example, here you are saying that 18 is divided by 3 and you are getting here 6. So, the dividend is 18, the divisor is 3 and thus the quotient is 6. Students, you watch this video for your clear concept. After watching,
hello kids, and welcome to the division gym today. I need your help to learn about the vocabulary used when we talk about division. Can you guys help me? Great! Let's get started as soon as I... Uh-oh. Ouch. I'm okay. Here is a division problem. And just like multiplication, the numbers used in division have certain names. Today we are going to learn the names we use to describe these, but unlike multiplication, all three numbers have separate names. Do not worry though, because we will practice with all three. The 15 in this equation is called the dividend. The dividend is the number you are dividing. So in this example, let's say we have 15 balls. The 15 balls are the dividend. The number 3 in the problem is called the divisor. This is the number we are dividing by. The divisor takes the dividend and breaks it into smaller groups. In this problem, let's say we have 3 kids that want to share the 15 balls. The 3 in the problem is the divisor. The number 5 is the answer, and we call this the quotient. This is the number that we get after dividing the dividend by the divisor. So in this example, the 15 balls are the dividend, and we need to split them between 3 kids. The 3 kids are the divisor and are the ones breaking the 15 balls into smaller groups. The balls are now split evenly into groups of 5. Do you remember what the answer is called in a division problem? It is called the quotient. Great job, kids! There are several ways to write a division problem. Let's take a quick look. Here we have 3 ways to write a division problem. This division problem is exactly the same as the one above. The 15 is the dividend and is found inside this division box. The 3 is the divisor, and the 5 above the division box is the quotient, also known as the answer. Let's look at one last way to show a division problem. Again, this problem is the same as the one above. The 15 is the dividend and is on top of a division bar. The 3 is the divisor in the problem, and the number 5 is the quotient. Today we learned a lot of new vocabulary with division, and you guys did awesome. If you ever forget any of these terms, watch the video again. Hope to see you on the next division adventure. Goodbye. Okay guys, you have a few options here. You can click the video on my right or on my left to watch more awesome stuff. If you want to subscribe, click the big red subscribe button below. You might want to hurry and choose though, because I can't hold on forever. Hurry, choose. Uh-oh.
Students, now I think your concept is clear regarding division. So many examples I discussed with you earlier, and I have given some examples through the video also. Now it's your turn to complete the classwork. Here I am giving you some more exercise to solve the division. First question is divide and find the quotient and remainder. So many questions are given here with the help of earlier process which I have shared with you. Do your work with that process. Now your second question is divide orally using multiplication table. It means here in question number 1 is 15 divided by 5. It means you have to read the table of 5, means you have to write the table of 5 till you get 15. 56 divided by 8. It means you have to write the table of 8 till you get 56. In this way, you will complete your classwork in right clear way. Already classwork is completed. Now I am giving you the homework. Your question is given here. Divide and find the remainder and question. You will solve the division and then in the last you have to write the question. For question you have to write Q and for remainder you have to write the R. And then in this way you have to write the answer and have to complete the work. Thank you. Have a nice day.